NEM generally arose as a panacea to dispose of all defects and obstacles in the past planned monetary standards. Thus, the world explicitly found that one solution it especially has been searching for. NEM established a climate, an ecospace, where it hugely added to the following advancement of blockchain by guaranteeing standard reception, showing up at a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, straightforwardness, and power. NEM rules the digital money space with all benefits based on blockchain improvement in a significant manner. Look at the coin subtleties before we leap to nitty-gritty. NEM cost forecast in an unobtrusive manner. NEM, a sound biological system in an exceptionally significant manner. A whole group of experts and geniuses working with exceptionally most extreme commitment make it truly conceivable to transform the system of NEM into progress, which generally is very critical. The group NEM comprises of CEO David Shaw, Ian Wilson as CFO, David Mansell as especially head working official, and Dave Hodgson as boss venture official. The strong group of the executive specialists and programmers loans their unmatched commitment to business improvement as well as local area commitment. The NEM establishment and associations. NEM exists to fuel trust. It guarantees the improvement of the whole local area working with progress in the blockchain space, or so they thought. NEM convention, all things considered, is energized at each level on a worldwide impression to upgrade use cases in an unobtrusive manner. A portion of the huge organizations of NEM generally are related with Rainforest Establishment US, which is committed to ecological causes. The coordinated effort enables the NEM people group can now utilize their XEM, the first NIS1 token, to essentially make gifts to safeguard the rainforest, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. One more huge move for NEM avows the collaboration with advanced markets to support certainly decentralized computerized resources by associating their clients to new and exceptionally thrilling open doors in the worldwide computerized protections market, which in every way that really matters is very critical. NEM, specialized examination, and assessment of legitimacy in an unpretentious way. Right from its establishment days to date, the by and large token has shown really extreme cost somersaults on trades amazingly. As a cryptographic money, no big surprise the costs by and large are constantly represented by various elements like market development, exchanging volume, innovation, and so on. Consequently, to especially expect any bonus benefit from NEM in a real sense is whole dApps market situated. Pandemic also generally has done its disaster for NEM. And the year 2020 was an all-out change for NEM, with negativity winning, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding, the pattern is by all accounts decisively bouncing back starting from the start of 2021 when the NEM cost began glancing back at 20 cents in a very huge manner. The new organizations would carry NEM cost to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital money, which is genuinely huge. The year's end 2020 could offer a buy to all negative and cynical patterns and expectations for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XEM. It could mean the beginning of a time of fundamentally expectations and commitments brimming with good faith, which is very critical. While the critical improvements have affected the XEM cost, pushing them in a positive course, the market is by all accounts holding much more commitment in the months to come, which for the most part is genuinely huge. While numerous crypto masters have expressed their examination on XEM cost in a plenty, not all gauges are similar. While certain specialists like Wallet Financial Backer for the most part give a hopeful view on NEM cost gauge, the others certainly end up being a by and large minimal careful in giving you liberal freedoms on XEM. In light of our conjecture, an improvement is normal, and the NEM cost guess for 2027 truly is 35 cents, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 225.09%. Today, NEM exchanged at 10 cents, which is very critical. The estimated NEM cost toward the finish of 2022 most certainly is 16 cents and the year-to-year change plus 46%. The NEM cost explicitly is estimated to truly reach 23 cents by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is 19 cents, least cost 11 cents. The typical cost during December 2022 may be around 13 cents. There is a potential increment that can be anticipated in XEM esteem, which especially is supposed to increment to something like 44 cents toward 2022 in an unpretentious manner. Our expectation recommends that the NEM cost is up as long as possible, and consequently, the XEM cost explicitly is gauged to remain at $1.24 toward the finish of 2023. Starting from the start of this current year, the XEM USD has recorded huge improvement as in the period of spring in every way that really matters. Last year, it in a real sense has recorded a critical ascent and crossed the 85 cents mark, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Nonetheless, it confronted a sharp decay in the wake of confronting dismissal at 76 cents and tumbled to 33 cents. Afterward, the worth of XEM denoted a flattish pattern, which is very critical. Since November 2021, the cost has gone down persistently till the beginning of 2022. Then later, unpredictability in cost sort of is seen, trusting that there will be expansion in the cost in future. Presently, we should for the most part take a gander at the value expectation of NEM crypto. NEM value expectation 2022. The mass reception could bring about a venture ascend in costs toward the finish of 2022, taking it to 14 cents. NEM value expectation 2023. Despite the fact that specialists figure the NEM crypto exchange scaling a typical pinnacle cost of 18 cents toward the finish of 2023. Besides, it might zero in on specific organizations and mechanical headways to reinforce its environment during this period in an unpretentious manner in a real sense. NEM value forecast 2024. The value estimates of different specialists don't hinder NEM crypto from outflanking the opponents using any and all means, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The NEM People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, regardless, or so they thought. The NEM will outperform the value assumptions for all digital money financial backers who generally have fundamentally found this stage incredibly intuitive and straightforward, taking the cash value up to 19 cents. NEM value forecast 2025 in an unpretentious manner. The significant specialized redesigns and item dispatches may be set to uncover, supported by huge numbers of environments. It would sort of not essentially be a distortion to find that NEM would buy in large increment to 23 cents. However, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light, especially go after 2025. NEM value expectation 2026. The ongoing cost of XEM is around 10 cents, and it mirrors a genuinely conceivable solidification incredibly. Nonetheless, according to the NEM cost expectation, it could truly go down to 21 cents toward 2026. Amazingly zen. Is NEM a wise interest in 2022? Truly, yes, in an extremely large way. NEM generally is a brainchild of geniuses who have examined and in a real sense dealt with blockchain for quite a long time, in spite of prevalent thinking. NEM explicitly is set to have an extreme effect on the whole cryptographic money space with a very much thought guide and vision in an unobtrusive manner. NEM will break all hindrances, staying a most loved token on the crypto trades, which for the most part is genuinely huge. On a cynical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that it may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will clearly stand firm feet on the ground on any trade. How does NEM gain importance in the market in an unpretentious way? It really is only the trust of financial backers that has made a vertical flood in the cost of XEM contrasted with different coins like Ethereum and Bitcoin, demonstrating its legitimacy against